Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're getting up close and personal with a monster of a machine at the 2024 DongfengM Hero 917. This Chinese-built SUV isn't your average mall crawler. Nicknamed the GMC Hummer's evil twin, the 917 is a military-inspired off-road beast ready to conquer any terrain you throw at it. Exterior. Let's start with that head-turning look. Forget curves. The 917 is all sharp angles and rugged utility. The black matte finish screams "don't mess with me," and the imposing bumper makes it look ready to tackle anything. This isn't just about aesthetics, as the body-on-frame chassis ensures serious off-road capability, but the real story lies under the hood, with two powertrain options that redefine what an SUV can do. Gear up for the fully electric version, boasting 4 electric motors and a mind-blowing 140 kWh battery. Now, if you crave some extra range anxiety relief, the 917 also offers a plug-in hybrid option. Imagine a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine working as a generator for 3 electric motors, pumping out a combined 816 horsepower. That translates to a 0 to 62 miles per hour sprint in just 6 seconds. Not bad for a behemoth like this. Interior. Okay, so it's a beast on the outside, but what about the inside? Thankfully, the 917 doesn't sacrifice comfort for capability. We don't have confirmed details yet, but expect a driver-centric cockpit packed with high-tech features and premium materials. Let's not forget a mention of the optional $14,000 drone that can be launched from the roof, perfect for scouting trails or just showing off. Speaking of trails, the 917 boasts some serious off-road tech. One mind-blowing feature is the crab walk mode, allowing the car to move diagonally, ideal for tricky situations. With its impressive ground clearance, approaching departure angles, and all-wheel drive, this SUV is built to dominate any terrain. The 2024 DongfengM Hero 917 is more than just an SUV, it's a statement. It's a fusion of brutal power, off-road prowess, and undeniable presence. While it's not available outside China yet, it has us eagerly waiting to see if this mechanical monster ever makes it to our shores. So, what do you think? Is the DongfengM Hero 917 your next off-road companion? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car adventures.